Today I have a cozy sweater garland for the Heidi Sambo DIY Winter Challenge. Stay tuned. And here's a peek at the Christmas version. Hi everyone, it's Julie and I'm here at my crafty desk where I usually do paper crafting, and today we are going to make the other sweaters to go along with this little cozy sweater for the winter Heidi Sambo DIY challenge. So I'm going to tell you how I make them. It's actually really fast. I go ahead and just start with my little loop. Okay, so if you crochet, this is going to be really easy for you. I'm going to go ahead and chain stitch 14 chain stitches, and then I'm going to probably have to count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Then I'm going to add 3 more. 2 3. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double crochet back into the 14th spot. Then I'm going to go ahead, double crochet all the way back. Okay, so it's very important that you count the 14 and then do the 3. So you'll have a total of 15 double crochet stitches. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn around and we're going to come in this bottom, this second piece right here, and we're going to single crochet 4. Okay, so single crochet in this second piece, and that's just so that it's hidden. If you do it on the top one of your sleeves is going to be thicker than the other one. I've been making these for several years. I make them for gifts, and I was just reminded, one of my husband's co-workers, they were getting out their Christmas decorations, and he retired this year, and he sent my husband a picture of the sweater that I made one year for all of my husband's co-workers. Okay, so we've gone 1 2 3 4. Now we're going to go ahead and chain stitch 3, and we're going to start the body of the sweater. I'm going to go ahead and go in through the whole stitch there, and I'm going to double crochet across. Okay, so double crochet, you go down, you come and pull your thread back through. So now you have 3. You're going to grab this one, pull it through. Now you have 2, and you're going to pull it through there. Okay, so you're going to grab it, go through, grab it, pull it through, grab it, pull it through, grab it, pull it through too. So you're grabbing thread or yarn, going under, pulling it through, grabbing, pulling it through, grabbing, pulling it through. And so you are going to go across 7 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this will be number 7. That will make the beginning of the body of the sweater. My yarn is from Crafter's Square Dollar Tree. So now we're going to go ahead, 1 2 3. We're going to turn and we're going to go back and do the same thing. We're going to go through, catch, through. So catch it, go through, catch it, go through, catch it, just like that. So grab the thread, go through, and you're going to go all the way to the end, and you're going to turn and repeat this one more time. We'll go ahead and do that on the 1 2 3 4 5 6 So this one we're going to come and we're going to grab it. It's going to be inside the first stitch, okay? Okay, so again, we're going to do 3 chain stitches, go back 7. We'll go ahead and do that on time lapse. Okay, so we're going to get to the end and we're going to tie this off. And so I came back through the little loop. I lost that, I'm sorry. And then we're going to go ahead and bring this back through and bring this through. Then I'm going to finish the thread, the yarn pieces off. I'm going to go ahead and take this one and come through these bottom pieces here, at least like 3 or 4 of them. Okay, and then I can just pull this one, pull it through, cut it off, and it should stay, it should be fine. It shouldn't come undone. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing up here. Okay, and that way you don't see any threads hanging down. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and we're going to decorate our little sweater. So I have, let's see, we're going to need 2 pieces this big. I'm going to need 1 piece this big. Okay, so let's go ahead and this, I get this lace at Hobby Lobby. It's $5.99 for 5 yards, but I buy it when it's 50% off. And I've been really happy with it. And we're going to use fabric tack. So this is a permanent adhesive that you can use on fabric. I actually made an apron once, the entire apron. It had ruffles and all the stuff, and I made the entire thing using fabric tack because my sewing machine wouldn't work and I needed the apron for something. So we're going to go ahead and add glue to the top, and it's going to go across, and then I'm going to come down to the middle, and then I'm going to come down to the bottom. There's going to be 3 pieces of this half piece of lace. Okay, so the big one comes across the top, and then this one comes across here, and we have another one over here. So we'll just put that one on. Usually I sew on these. I think I might have already told you that, but today we're going to go ahead and use the glue. And I have this lace that is vintage lace. I got it at an estate sale. I got lucky. They were last day, getting ready to close, and they just looked at what I had and charged me by the whole bundle that I had. Holy mackerel, I made out. Okay, so there's that one. This is a match to the other one that we already made, or that I already made. Then I have these pieces. These are from a shirt that I took apart. In my paper crafting, we make journals out of junk. So literally, we take and make journals out of junk. So we're just going to go ahead and push this back, finish it, turn it over. Then we're just going to put a big bunch of the glue on the front, kind of in a circle, that our snowflake can get caught on. Okay. I love the way this looks. Okay, so the next thing I have these pieces. I just bought a set of tags at Dollar General, and so these were in in those tags. And if you're having trouble getting it through, remember you have your handy hook. So I love this white. I'm going to be excited to have this. Actually, I'll probably put this one in my bedroom. So have you already decorated for Christmas? We have not. We were on vacation. And okay, so we'll do that. I'm going to bring down the other 3 that I already had made. This one, this is the bottom of the shirt. So that's the seam, or it might be a side seam. And, you know, nothing goes to waste, especially when you make the junk journals that I make. Okay, here we go. So, and we do that on my other channel. It's Dear Julie Junk Journal every day. And we literally do have a video every day at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time. And would love to have you join us over there. It is a premiere, which means it has a live chat. It's a lot of fun. And so there we go. So I'm going to cut those ribbons down. And you could put something else in between these. I like the sweaters to be the star of the show. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and use these little pieces here. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you one of the Christmas ones that I do. So, and another fun thing to add is if you have any of the foil graduation confetti that says 2021, that might be kind of fun to add to one of your sweaters as well. And I've made, like I said, I've made these as singles, and I made a hanger for them out of a paper clip and gave those as gifts a couple of times. We usually have an ugly sweater party, and every year we didn't last year, we won't this year. But this is one of the things that I make for prizes too. Okay. So there is my little cozy sweater garland, crocheted cozy sweater garland. Yeah. So Heidi, thank you so much for inviting us to the collab, the winter DIY collab. I will post the playlist in the description box down below, as well as the link to Heidi. And I just love her crafting, and I love her channel. So, and we've missed her. So glad that she is well and back. So again, this is my little cozy sweater garland for winter. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye-bye. And I promised you a look at the Christmassy ones. You can see there's all different kinds. I use trims and beads and stickers and greenery and bling and all kinds of wonderful things. They are so much fun to make.